Hello friends, here we will discuss a month-based puzzle which is very tricky, as well as if you can solve it by taking 2 to 3 statements in a collated form, definitely you can make the best utilization of these particulars. So moving to the question here, and let's see how we can solve this, how we can minimize the possibility. The question seems to be a easy one, not very long, but yes, this may have some possibilities. Here it is. 10 ministers from P to Y took oath on 3rd and 12th of the 5 months. 5 months are given, that is April, May, June, July and August. Right? This is it. Now, Q took oath on odd number date of month having 31 days. So first of all, what we can do, just write down the month name and the consecutive along with the dates here. That is, this is 3rd, this is 12th April, next is May, again 3rd, and here it's 12th, then June, that is 3rd here, and this is 12th, next July, 3rd and 12th, and here it's August, 3rd, and this is 12. Now, just we'll follow up with a second case here as well. Okay. Right. So first one, we will find out some definite statement from which we can build upon further. Okay, this is odd number of date, and see January, February, March, April. So this is 31st, 31 days, June, July, this is 31, and this is also 31. Right. Now try to find out some definite statement. Only two persons took oath after P. So P is here, this is confirmed. Okay. Only two persons took oath after P. V took oath in the month which has only 30 days, but not in April. So not in April, so only 30 days, that is June. So here we can be at 3rd, we can be at 12th, second possibility. Okay. Now, only one person took oath between V and W. So W cannot come here, so only this side W can come. W can come here, and another possibility, we have to take possibility because the data is very less here, right? So without thinking about whether we have to take the third possibility or not, just move it and you will see the magic, right? That means if you take this possibility here, only then you can solve it in minimal time. Otherwise, if you try to play with your mind, you may waste some crucial seconds here. Okay, so this is it. 3 possible cases here. Right, moving to next. X took oath just before Y, who took oath on an even number date on the month having 31 days. 31 days and 12 of that particular month. 12 is the date in a particular month that is having 31 days. Y is there, and just before that X. So X and Y are the two ministers having in the same month oath timing or the date, right? So in the first one, that is XY possible here, XY in the third case, right? So this is case 3 here, this is 2, this is case 1. So here only one possibility, that is XY here, here is not possible, so XY here, and here in the first case 2 possibilities. This is it in May and in August. Okay, leave it. Okay, Q took oath on odd number date of the month which is having 31 days. So 31 days 3rd of that particular month, that day I am talking about. So Q can be at 3rd May or 3rd August, and Q and T took oath on consecutive turns but not in the same month, right? So consecutive turns not in the same month. So if I take Q is on 3rd of August, there is no place for Q, no place for T, because T should come then at the 12th of July, which is already occupied by T, right? So this is not the case here. So Q can come only here and T is at this place. Now we can put the data X and Y. So this is here X and Y, right? Okay. Now what it's saying, at the last statement, only two persons took oath between S and Q. So at the left hand side, not possible of the table. That is in case 1 I am talking about. So 1, 2, this is it. Okay. In the second case, where is Q? Q can come only here in this place, right? So T is here. And in the third case, that is in July, Q can come here, right? 31 days and odd number date, it should be for Q. The very first statement, right? Q took oath on odd number date of month having 31 days. So T and Q we have put in all three possible combinations. Right. Now S and Q in between two persons. So in second case, 1, 2 in the left hand side, it's not possible, right? 1, 2. So S maybe at the right hand side, that is 1, 2 again. This place is occupied by V. So S cannot come here, right? So now case 2 is eliminated. Now moving to the third case. Q is here. Only these all places are occupied P, X, Y, right? So only left hand side V and T. S can come here very easily, right? Now only case 1 and case 3 prevails. I took oath before T but not just before, and I did not take oath in the month having 30 days. Okay. So here two places left in the same month, that is April, that is having 30 days. So R cannot come here in this place. And in the case 1, that is yes, only one place left for R, that is it, 12th of May, right? Okay. And only one place left, that is P to Y, the name of the ministers, P Q R S T U. Yes, so U is here, right? So case 1, finally our answer. Case 3 is also eliminated, right? So we are done with this. Now just copy this and move to the next screen here. Okay. Here it is. Okay. Just copy this part from here. I'm taking all sets. Yeah, this is it. Just take a copy here. Make it comfortable in this page. Okay, this is it. Right. Okay. Here's the 5 questions. We are done with the solution. But now we'll just take the questions here. Who took oath on 12th June? 12th June, here it is. This is the correct one. First one, 12th June, that is S. Okay, option B. The number of ministers took oath before V is 1 less than the number of ministers took oath. This generally comes in a form that the number of persons born before you is equal to is same as the number of persons born after. But here is little bit tricky. The number of ministers took oath before V is 1 less than the number of persons or the ministers took oath after. See, before V, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 1 less. That means whoever is taking oath after that, 5 persons would be there. Now try to find out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, B is the answer here. So option A. Understood? How many ministers took oath after P? After P, 2, X and Y. Who took oath immediately before Q? That is T. How many ministers took oath before X? Between X and one who take on 3rd May. 3rd May, that is Q here, and X. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Option A. Right? So I hope you understood this puzzle here. Easy one, but you have to very smartly take the statements in a collated form. Only then you can minimize the possibility here. Otherwise, you may mess up with the solution, and that would not our concern. But yes, try to solve by taking the multiple statements and make it habituated to you by solving more number of questions. Okay, this is very easy, and this practice would make you in significant aspect to make all the questions in the paper very easily. You can solve it out. Okay, so that is all for now, and try to solve more number of questions. That is only mantra here. Thanks for watching.